Hey there, eco-warriors! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project, making your own shampoo and conditioner bars. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. For the shampoo bar, you'll need coconut oil, castor oil, distilled water, lye, sodium hydroxide, and essential oils for fragrance. For the conditioner bar, you'll use cocoa butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, and essential oils. These natural ingredients are not only good for your hair but also gentle on the environment. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to wear gloves and protective eyewear when handling lye, and work in a well-ventilated area. Safety first, always. Let's start with the shampoo bar. In a well-ventilated area, carefully mix your lye with distilled water according to the instructions. In a separate bowl, melt your coconut oil and castor oil together. Once both mixtures have cooled to the same temperature, slowly combine them while stirring continuously. Now, add your favorite essential oils for fragrance. Stir well, then pour the mixture into molds. Allow it to set for 24–48 hours before removing from the molds. Next up, the conditioner bar. Melt cocoa butter and shea butter together in a double boiler. Once melted, stir in jojoba oil and your chosen essential oils. Mix thoroughly, then pour into molds and allow to set for 24–48 hours. After the bars have fully hardened, carefully unmold them and let them cure for another 2–4 weeks. This allows the bars to become firmer and longer lasting. Store your shampoo and conditioner bars in a cool, dry place away from moisture between uses. To use, simply wet your hair and rub the shampoo bar between your hands or directly onto your scalp. Massage the lather into your hair and rinse thoroughly. Follow with the conditioner bar, rubbing it between your hands and applying to the ends of your hair. Rinse and enjoy your naturally clean and conditioned locks. And there you have it. Your own homemade shampoo and conditioner bars, free from harsh chemicals and plastic packaging. If you enjoyed this DIY project, give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are also passionate about sustainable living. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay eco-friendly.